If you've seen Rev750WilliamR.com promising a $700 Walmart gift card just for signing up and completing a few promotional deals, it definitely grabs attention and makes you wonder if it's an easy win or something more complicated. The site claims that users can unlock the reward by entering basic details and completing partner offers, but several factors raise questions about how the process actually works. One notable concern is the website's history, as newly registered or frequently changing domains are often associated with short-term promotional funnels rather than established reward programs. Another point is the redirect behavior after signing up. Users are typically routed through multiple third-party pages and promotional tasks, which can make the path to the promised reward unclear. There is also no official confirmation from Walmart supporting or endorsing the specific promotion, which is important because legitimate brand campaigns are usually promoted through verified channels. Contact transparency is limited as well, with no clear corporate address or responsive customer support system visible, making accountability difficult if issues arise. Independent reviews across forums and consumer sites describe mixed experiences, with many users reporting long completion requirements, repeated offer loops, or difficulty reaching the final reward stage. While the offer structure follows a common promotional model used in lead generation campaigns, the lack of verifiable transparency and the multi-step redemption process suggest users should proceed carefully, understand the requirements fully, and manage expectations before investing time or sharing personal information.